How to program your Avamix BX Model P programmable blender. First, press and hold the button you would like to program. The screen will flash D1 to indicate that you are now in programming mode. Next, set the Stage 1 speed and time using the corresponding up and down arrow buttons. Select from one of the 8 speed settings and set the timer for the desired amount. Press the Stop-Start button to save settings and begin programming Stage 2. Use the up and down arrow buttons to adjust speed and time for Stage 2. Press the Start-Stop button to save. Each program can be set in up to 3 stages. Repeat these steps for Stage 3. Good will show on screen when the setup is successful. To reset to default, hold the Start-Stop button until Good shows on the screen. Your Avamix BX Model P blender is now set up and ready to be used for your favorite recipes.